Good morning, everyone. This evening, I would like to talk to you about a project, a very nice project called Aitoro. First, let's take a look at who is behind this project. It was founded by a company called Condividiamo Ltd in August 2020. In reality, it was founded in Gibraltar, where we have our legal headquarters. The project was initially based on what a cryptocurrency is and on what a blockchain is, all of which is proprietary. So everything you see this evening, since we have a team of programmers right in Portugal, where there is a person who follows and manages them all, everything you will see is all programmed by us. We created all the programs and everything else. After that, we opened a branch in Italy. Then in the following years, in Cyprus. Why? Cyprus, because in Cyprus is where our broker is, and we are expanding with new branches in Spain and Colombia, right next to them, so we can stay in close contact. This is very important. And recently we are expanding a bit and have opened 2 branches in Spain and Colombia. Obviously, what is our goal? To expand all over the world. Let's take a closer look at what the talk service is. First of all, I would like to explain to you what an expert advisor is. It's an advanced software capable of generating profits through quick microtransactions of buying and selling, the so-called trading on the global markets. We obviously work in the Forex markets, but we do it in a very particular way. That is, we do it directly on your account. This is because we like people who want to, if they like the project, to work with us. They open their own account with the broker, know what to deposit. This project doesn't require any courses, what to deposit, and so on. In the meantime, this project doesn't require any courses. Why do I say this? Because many times in the projects you hear about, they pretend to be for people who want to work in Forex, only to sell courses. We don't need any courses. In fact, we don't have trading experience. Our people, our clients, are also individuals who don't even know what trading is and aren't familiar with Forex at all. Then it's clear that we have a lot of people on the platform, including those who are experienced, and we don't mind having them. But for anyone, it's not necessary. No courses and no trading experience. Our expert advisor, which is not what is commonly called a robot, works autonomously 24 hours a day. Why is that? Because clearly the global markets follow each other based on their opening hours. So every day, 5 days a week, without weekends, we work within Forex. As I mentioned before, the sub-account is very important to us. Every operation is carried out directly on your account. You have control over the activity second by second, completely autonomously. So you do everything as much as you want, of course, with our help, meaning that we will assist you in taking any action. This generates a lot of trust because I have my own account, and at any moment I can withdraw my password and control it myself. Immediacy, precisely because I don't have to ask anyone if I want to make a trade. I have my own platform, which we'll see later. We made it into an app, a very convenient app, manageable from a smartphone, so it's suitable for everyone. It's very simple. And then there's transparency. Access the app anytime to monitor market activities, withdraw or deposit freely, moment by moment, what happens in the market. In total transparency, as I mentioned before, you can withdraw or deposit at any time without having to ask anyone for anything. We share the external advisors. They are completely developed by us. So as I said before, everything you see, even the presentation, we made it. So everything is done by our programmers. It's an innovative algorithm capable of generating profit. And we've been testing it for 4 years now. We created it, and above all, we test it, because in Forex, historical data is very important. So let's see how our software would have performed on historical data. Tech evolves, improves daily. AI aids development. This allows us to consistently improve it day by day to achieve better performance. The software development is done with the support of artificial intelligence. So we use artificial intelligence for development. It's our programmers who have this type of usage. They use it specifically for the development of their software. What does the service include? First of all, there is a specialized operator for online trading available 24 hours a day. It's true that there's the expert advisor, and it's true that we have a platform with all the controls, but it's also true that we have an operator, actually many more, because we have a lot of traders who check everything and make sure that everything is working well. The updates clearly are part of our cultural background. So we made them, they give us the opportunity to develop them and then make them available. So there are no additional costs and everything is included. And then, very importantly, what I was telling you before, our platform, which is an app dedicated to our world of Taurus, each of you, you will have your username and password, and you will be able to see everything that happens in the world of Forex. And especially on their accounts, our method, as I mentioned earlier, is for everyone. We help you in any situation. You don't need to be an expert. Why do I say this? Because simply put, I don't know how many of you have already tried to do it, but even opening an account with one of the many brokers out there or choosing the broker or trader is not an easy task, in the sense that those who are used to these things can do it, while those who may not be very experienced have some difficulties. Or connect copy trading to your account. Why do I say this? Because our copy trading system means that for every account you open, you'll then choose your trader. Actually, I'll explain it to you later. There are more traders to choose from, and of course, you need to connect the account. And these are not simple things. If you haven't done it, you probably won't succeed. Or simply to make a deposit or a withdrawal, we have staff members who will help you at any time. The word diversification is very important in every area when it comes to investing, obviously, because it allows us to achieve the best results in the medium and long term and limit the risk of financial exposure. So, diversification is the best choice to increase returns and reduce financial exposure. We, of course, during this entire summer period and even today, have made trade agreements with several brokers. In the meantime, to go and see who work better, and then above all, to try to improve the offer. Because improving the offering means having lower costs to pass on to all our clients. We haven't seen many. Now, here there are a few brands from some. Recently, we made a huge agreement with Tentrade. Today, we are in partnership with them, in partnership all over Europe. We are really their point of reference. Tentrade is now based in Cyprus. For what you saw earlier, that we have the people there right next to them just to have direct contact every day. It's a well-known broker. And above all, when we made the agreement with Tentrade, we were able to secure benefits for everyone. The first benefit is that for a deposit of up to $5,000, every person will receive a 30% bonus. What does this mean? It means that if I deposit $5,000 today, Tentrade gives me a 500 euros in bonus. What is this bonus for? It's mainly useful for traders, so they have more opportunities to trade, meaning more chances to open and close positions. It's not our money because it's a bonus. Ours is what we have deposited. But they allow us to earn a little more. What does the company tell us? That with the first withdrawal, the bonus is lost. So I have them, they give me up to 30%, up to $5,000 on the first deposit. The first time I go to withdraw, I will have lost the bonus, obviously not the earnings that were made thanks to the bonus. The copy trading we use is proprietary copy trading. Why did we do it? We did it because in the various experiences we had with different brokers, we noticed that there were some issues. They weren't all working well. Then we actually planned it out. All our Forex operations are carried out on a stock copy trading platform that obviously gives us the best performance. And above all, it guarantees us the highest level of security. We did it precisely for this reason, to avoid losing trades and losing, obviously, what could be the performance of the robot and the expert advisor. Universification isn't just from the broker's view, it's for traders too. Let's put it this way, from the broker's perspective of what we saw earlier, but we also do it for the trader and the strategies. And this is perhaps one of the most important things about our platform. I don't think anyone else has it in the world. We created it ourselves. We actually created a software developed by us. In the Content Trader Partnership, you can connect as many traders as possible to your account, and especially the strategies. Doing a bit of what we were talking about earlier, that is by increasing and decreasing the risk and increasing the level of security. I want to give you an example to make it clearer. I took an example where there are 5 different traders Trader 1 works on gold and Trader 2 on silver. In currencies, number 3 on indices, number 4 on commodities, and number 5 on crypto. So we also diversify because everyone uses their own strategy depending on the market. Also here, it's really to have fewer possibilities and less risk. Then we go ahead and assign this. As I mentioned earlier, this is just an example. I set it to 20% to make the math easier, but each of you on the platform will be able to see all the traders, all the strategies, and what they did up until yesterday. What will happen in the coming months? Because every time the month closes, we put together all the statistics. So it will be up to you to choose the traders you prefer. To make it simple, I allocated 20% to Trader 1, 20% to Trader 2, 20% to Trader 3, 20% to Trader 4, and 20% to Trader 5, all from the capital. So my 100% of the capital has been divided. What does this clearly allow me to do? What are you looking at? It happened, for example, as a performance in the last month. That Trader 1 would have earned 13.2%, but why do I say would have? Because we copy it. At 20%, he earned 13.2%. Copying him, we only earned 2.64%. Trader 2 earned 17.1%. Copying earned 3.42%. Trader 3 earned 14.5%, earning 2.90%. Trader 4 had a tough month and lost a bit, often happens. Remember, the world of Forex is a place where it's not easy to win all the time. Often you lose. Out of 4, Trader 3 would have lost 6.2%. Copying would have lost 1.24%. Trader 4 earned 14, not 2.84. But this meant that even with one trader who Trader 3 out of 4 lost 6.2%, 14, not 2.84. The 14, not the 2.84. Even with one trader made a few mistakes, failed to earn, the overall result would still have been very interesting, around 10%. He made a few mistakes, so he wasn't able to earn, but the overall result would have been very interesting, around 10%. So this is to help you understand. Clearly, these are numbers, as I mentioned earlier, that we've put in place to help you grasp the concept. However, the concept is very important because it helps you understand that by dividing the capital, you can achieve maximum performance with minimum risk by taking action. With one trader, choosing multiple, I achieve the maximum performance with the minimum risk. The traders earn a profit because they don't work for free. The maximum performance, the minimum risk. Traders, of course, earn money because they don't work for free. Here too, we made an agreement with everyone because on another platform, there are also traders who earn more, and we give each of them 20% of the profits. So they earn exclusively from the profits. At the end of the week, at the end of the month, it doesn't matter, or even at the end of the day, every time they make a closing on the app, 20% is done automatically. So you don't have to do anything. The trader is also given a nice CRM where you can see all the accounts, and what you see is already net of his earnings. So that's what it is for you. The expert advisors, our own, we share them, we develop them. Traders use different markets. We detail their specifics to improve performance. So based on their specifics, we go into detail about them to make them even better, always aiming to improve their performance, to always do better, always to improve their performance. What should you do to get started? Well, first of all, receive the link from whoever invited you, because in any case, there is a referral link that you can find inside the platform, inside the app. You can invite people. So thanks to this, they connect to you. Download the app. It's automatic, available for Android and iOS. Sign up with minimal info, available for Android and iOS. At this point, you go ahead and sign up, which really only requires a couple of things. Just a few things are needed. Then you'll receive a welcome WhatsApp message from our staff. We welcome everyone, especially those who need assistance. Together, we'll explain how everything works and choose the best strategies for you. A lot, actually, those who need a hand. We have a dedicated staff that will help you. And then together, we do it together, especially at the beginning, to explain to you how everything works. We'll choose the best strategies based on what you want to decide to do, based on what you need. Your needs are our utmost priority. Now I'll show you a couple of screenshots of the app. The iTunes app, log in with email. Accept terms, press register to join iTunes. A welcome email and WhatsApp message will follow for staff connection. Accept the terms, and from there, by pressing register, you enter the world of iTunes. As soon as you enter your details, a welcome email will arrive. This will go directly to the email you provided, along with a WhatsApp message where you'll then connect with our staff. And there are so many things within the app. The account, for example, is clearly yours with your passwords, which you can change if you want. You can go and choose the strategies. You can also go and see the network for those who want to network. Then in the next episode, I will explain how it works. You have all the people listed below, and there's the information button where we provide all the explanations for everything. And then very, very, very importantly, there's the wallet where you'll be able to see what's happening in the market. Even if you have multiple accounts, schedule another appointment with us if you need advice. The possibility or need to schedule another appointment with one of us because maybe they need some advice and to understand better. Within the app, you can easily find a calendar where you can enter the date and time that works best for you and connect with someone from our staff who will explain everything clearly. Okay, I'm done. I hope everything was very clear. In the meantime, I thank everyone for their attention. There will be, as I mentioned earlier, upcoming episodes to cover all the other topics. Thank you all, everyone.